In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wise bank account. If you're new to Wise, it's a service that makes sending, receiving, and holding money in multiple currencies simple and transparent. We'll walk through the sign-up process together, and by the end, you'll have your account ready to go. First, open your web browser and go to wise.com. Make sure you see the secure padlock in the address bar so you know you're on the official site. On the home page, look to the top right and click Sign Up. If you're on a phone or tablet, this might be in the menu, but it's the same button. You'll start by entering your email address, or you can continue with an external account like Google, Facebook, or Apple. Either option is fine. Using an external account can speed things up, while entering an email gives you a standalone login. If you choose an external account, you may be asked to confirm basic permissions. If you use an email, create a strong, unique password you'll remember. Next, choose whether you want a personal or business account. Pick personal if you're setting this up for yourself, to move money, get paid, or spend in different currencies. Choose business if the account will be used for a company, freelancing, or anything tied to business finances. Don't worry, you're just selecting the right fit for how you'll use Wise. Now, select the country where you live most of the time. This helps Wise set the correct currency options, fees, and regional features, and it ensures your account complies with local regulations. Choose the country that reflects your main residence, not a temporary travel location. You'll then enter your phone number to verify your account. Type it carefully in the international format if needed, and make sure the device is nearby and able to receive texts or calls. Wise will send you a one-time code. When it arrives, enter that code on the screen to confirm. If the message takes a moment, wait a bit or check for an option to resend. Keep in mind that some virtual or internet-based numbers may not work for verification. Once your phone number is confirmed, your Wise account is created. That's it. You've signed up successfully. From here, you can explore your dashboard at your own pace, but the essential setup is complete. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your new Wise account.